Ayan, dito kami. We're here. And ano ba?
St. Edward.
St. Edward Group. St. Edward Group. Okay, so we're just waiting for the time and they're not ready yet. So we prepared and everything. We have lots of people over here. So actually, we're supposed to be riding the, what do you call that? How do you call this? It's like wagon. But it's because we have lots, we have two buses, so we have lots, so the bus just came here. So we did not go out. All the passengers just stayed in our own bus. Ito, here's my sister.
Hello.
Hi. She's one of us too, and gonna join the fashion play tonight. Yes, it's not tonight actually. It's already 7, almost 6 o'clock, but it's because we are here in Winnipeg.
Ano ba yung
We are not. Our night time will be at 10 o'clock in the evening. Yes.
Hello. Kunin ko yung ano. Kunin ko yung ano natin.
So this is so interesting because you know the cast are not paid. They're just a volunteer. So we'll see, and this is the award-winning Manitoba's award-winning play, fashion play. Yan, nandito na kami. Ang dami-dami namin. So we'll see. I'm so excited. Mainit kasi.
Mainit. Mamaya hindi na mainit. Doon.
Mag-move na lang tayo.
Darling.
Dito daw tayo dahil mainit. Dito daw.
Okay na kami. Nakapako na kami. Okay, ayun. Bakit nila tinanggal pero?
Hindi mamaya papano. Yung pagka yung ipapako na tsaka nilitataas.
Ganun ba?
Kaya pala nilagay nila yung ano.
Yung mattress siguro nga para ipako.
Baka ano, hindi. Baka kung sa...
Nalat para hindi tayo
Iwanan ng wala. Smile. Three.
1 hour pa naman yung timer.
has something to eat. We brought a lot of stuff. Wow, kain. Ganito din pag mayroon kang community sa church kasi ayan, sama-sama kayo, tapos magbabaon, magdala ng baon, they gonna bring anything, right? And sharing their food. Ayan. Kaya, ayan. Sila. Marami namang mga puti. A lot of white people over here to witness also the play. And because it's a very nice one. Knowing that this is Manitoba's award winning. Yes. So, anong sasabihin mo?
Si Miko. Yung ganyang yung participant na bata naka-white t-shirt. Hindi, and nandun na.
That's the shuttle bus. I was thinking it's really a bus, but it's like Kormata in the Philippines. About the play, what is it all about?
The play is about the birth and the life of Jesus from birth to till death till resurrection, and to say about this stage play. All the people around here, the town of La Riviere, are all volunteer. So everyone are volunteer every year, just like what they call.
That's very interesting,
What's
right?
that sonata in English? I don't know the term, but all the cast are from the
This
town of
town.
La Riviere, Manitoba.
Nice. Thank you, Granite.
Thank you. Bye. God bless.
Yeah, over there is
Oh,
the
still some
sound.
passengers
Is
are coming in.
is the place for their sound effect.
More passenger. More viewers.
Hello! Welcome to the Passion Play.
Good job, guys.
Yeah. Contestant number 1. Contestant number 1. Karinyosang babae. Nasa tugadog ng mundo. Sabihin tugadog. Ay, tugad. Pwede rin yun. Gagawin nyo. Meron pa naman yun. Tapos, sukin mo ng barb stick. Tapos yung kalahati. Ilang oras yan?
Tatlo. Di ba tatlo? tatlong pikasong pande, may break naman daw. May break time. Maganda. Pagpili ang lugar. Dito.
So they started the music now. Can you hear the music? Yeah. So in 5 minutes we're gonna start.